Oh, actually I didn't spot him.
Hello everybody.
Swadee Ka.
Sawadee ka.
Welcome to our channel, Thai Together.
Where we document what it's really like to live and travel in Thailand.
If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button in the corner. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and please leave us a comment, let us know what you think.
And in today's video, we're here at Khao Yai National Park now. And we arrived here at about 6:10. The park actually open. If you don't stay inside, you are allowed to come in from 6 a.m. So we are on our way to our first stop.
So it cost 450 baht for foreigners and 40 baht for Thai.
The sun is rising.
See the deer?
Ooh, a deer coming up. The deer, look. Oh no, it's escaping.
So far, the animal count is several monkeys, 1 deer, 0 elephants. So, even though up here is beautiful, until we see an elephant, the day is lost. Isn't it?
Well, I don't want to see an elephant. Paul does, so hopefully.
Look at that, you hear that breeze. It's so good to actually be cold. Only time in Thailand. This is the first time I've been cold since I come here. It's awesome. 4,240 foot high. Don't know what that is in real money. I have to put it in converter later.
Baby deer. Maybe you guys can see it.
Can you see the one down there?
No window. Just drive. Look, a deer. There, a deer. A female deer.
Here we are at quite a popular point of the national park. It's the grassland, the deer grasslands. It's quite renowned for being able to spot wild animals. You've got all sorts here over in this park. You've got your herbivores, things like your elephants. There's different couple of type of deers. There's some hares. And obviously your elephants, but also apparently along here you can, if you're really lucky, spot some of your carnivores, your wolves, tigers, and what I'm most scared of is more the carnivore snakes that are around. But I don't think we're going to have any luck today. So as Natalie would say, let's go! What's it just stole?
Just stole something off the truck. I don't know, some bags.
He looks happy with it. There's another one going in the back. He's got a water. He's drinking his water. I like the way he knows how it works.
This is why you lock the car.
Yeah.
Because otherwise they know how to open it as well.
He's had all of that. Thieving says thirsty work.
Literally.
Yeah. We'd get told off for that. He gets privilege. Some Thais getting brave there with the monkeys.
And some people are leaving, so no, they're not stealing something off their car.
Yeah. I dare anyone to get a bunch of bananas out of their pockets right now. Or that cat, look at him looking, they're like lining those people up at the cafe. He's gone in the back now. I want to see what he pops up with. Oh, nothing.
There might not be anything else.
Yeah. Oh, look at a little baby one on the floor. In between the two white cars, there's a little baby. He wants to jump up with him. He can't join in. They're going to jump in the back of his truck now.
They're thinking about it.
Yeah, they're lining it up. Look, look, look. Oi, come here, mate. You pay for that parking.
Look.
Straight in there. They've not even stopped. He hadn't even stopped.
At least it's not attacking people.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like it's their car, not yours. I think we probably should go soon before it starts hanging about with us.
Yeah, let's go and have a look at the view over here quickly. The main reason we stopped. What?
Someone's getting so close to the monkey. They can grab your phone, you know. And then just
They're getting agitated though.
need to move soon. Everyone's moving. They're gonna go to our car in a minute.
It's the reason we stopped at this point. Another beautiful view. It's like a lake thing down there, I think.
That's it from us for today.
If you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below, let us know what you thought. And as ever, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check back in tomorrow for more from our Khao Yai trip where we hit the waterfalls.
Thanks everybody. Bye.